afternoon, class 8 children. You are studying the chapter chemical reactions, and in this chapter you have studied different types of reaction like combination reaction, decomposition reaction, double decomposition reaction or double displacement reaction and displacement reaction. You also studied the change in energy during the reaction, and on that basis you have studied the endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction. Now I am going to explain you the oxides. Oxides are the compound formed by the chemical combination of a substance with oxygen. So when a substance reacts with oxygen, it forms the oxide. And the process of formation of oxide or the reaction of formation of oxide is known as oxidation reaction. So all the burning process are example of oxidation reaction. Some substance combine with the oxygen at normal temperature, at ordinary temperature, and form their oxides. For example, when sodium Na exposed to air means oxygen, it forms sodium oxide Na2O. So for balancing like this, 4Na equation is like that, 4Na plus O2 change it to 2Na2O. Means sodium when react with oxygen, it forms sodium oxide which has the formula Na2O. As sodium has the valency 1, oxygen has the valency 2. We interchange the valency, the formula become Na2O. For balancing the equation, we have to write here 4 and here 2. Next is magnesium. Magnesium doesn't react with oxygen at ordinary temperature. It reacts with oxygen when we burn the magnesium wire. Means on heating, it reacts with oxygen and form the magnesium oxide. Means magnesium plus oxygen on heating, it forms MgO, magnesium oxide. So this is the magnesium. When react with oxygen, it forms on heating magnesium oxide. Some substance while reacting with oxygen release large amount of energy in the form of heat and light, like fuels, petrol, diesel, coke. They burn in presence of oxygen and form the heat and light. Means energy is released in the form of heat energy or light energy. This type of reaction is known as combustion reaction. So for the formation of oxide, we have studied that some substance, some metals react at ordinary temperature, some metals react on heating, and some metals when react with oxygen, they release large amount of energy and form the corresponding oxide. Some metallic oxides are also formed by the decomposition reaction of certain metallic compounds. So, oxides of metals are generally stable towards the heat, and they considered to be the most stable form of the compound found in the nature. Some reactions in which oxides are metallic oxides are formed by the decomposition reactions. Formation of oxides by decomposition reactions. As lead nitrate PbNO3 whole twice, copper nitrate CuNO3 whole twice, copper carbonate CuCO3, zinc carbonate CuCO3. All these compounds on heating they decompose and gives the corresponding metallic oxide with evolution of some other gases like carbonates. Copper carbonate or zinc carbonate on heating, this is the copper carbonate. On heating, it will form copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Zinc carbonate on heating change into zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. So these are the example of decomposition reaction where copper carbonate or zinc carbonate change into copper oxide and zinc oxide. Means on heating the substance decompose into the corresponding oxides. So these are the substance where on decomposition of the carbonates, we get the metallic oxide and carbon dioxide gases up. So you have to remember when we heat the carbonate salts, at that time metallic oxide and carbon dioxides are formed. Next example is lead carbonate PbCO3. On heating, it will give lead oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate CaCO3. On heating, limestone, which is also known as limestone, it on heating decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So these are the oxides, these metallic oxides are formed by the decomposition reaction. The color of the lead oxide is yellow in color. The color of the copper carbonate is green in color. On decomposition, it forms black color copper oxide. Zinc oxide is white in color, which on decomposition form the zinc oxide. So these are some carbonate, metallic carbonate examples which on decomposition gives the metallic oxide and carbon dioxide gas. So this is all for today, student. Thank you. Have a nice day.